Guys, I just got this simple dimple and it's already getting boring just to pop it. Let's see if anyone has any offers. Trading simple dimple. Going once, going twice. Okay, what's your offer? I don't want that. Yeah, I don't want that little sucky foot dimple. Let's go to someone else. Trading simple dimple. Going once, going twice. Me, can I please offer? Okay, sure. What's your offer? I'll give you this green and blue jellyfish simple dimple, this spinning dimple digit, this purple dimple digit, and lastly, this whale poppet. I know you have some more fidgets over there. Add. Okay, guys, so this baby's like telling me not to add, so I think I'm gonna try to scam her and say this is limited edition. As you can see, the front side of this dimple is emojis, but I'm gonna say this is a yellow limited edition dimple. Okay, well, this is a good offer, and the last thing I'm gonna be offering is this yellow limited edition dimple. Nobody has it, so you better accept. Oh my gosh, I've never seen just a plain yellow dimple. I'm gonna accept. Guys, this is so cool. What? It's literally the emoji dimple. This little scammer.